Lanka giving him an opportunity to see what he could do.
Oh, he's got the wicket straight away. Goodness, what a fantastic delivery. Just kept a tad low. 12th innings for him, 231 runs. And decent strike rate, but he has got his work cut out, to say the least. Facing Nuwan Thousara. Bowled a gem to get rid of the skipper. Oh, he's got another one. This is unbelievable. The stumps go flying. Is a surprised look from thousara. But what a sight for a pace bowler when the stumps go tumbling round.
So good to watch. Nuwan Thousara just keeps coming hard at the batter. He gets a bit of shape. Thousara. There's a lot being said. Oh dear, not a good look. We don't like this. We don't like to see this at all.
Nuwan Thousara on a hat-trick. 2 slips in position for him, for the new batter, Mahmood Riyad. Here we go. Oh, almost a down. That's a quick one, and he's got it. That is the hat-trick from Nuwan Thousara. Incredible bowling here.
Ball appears to be passing very close to the bat. Can I have ultra edge to see if there's any bat involved, please? Here comes the ultra edge. Keep it rolling through. Keep it rolling through. Keep it rolling through. Can you take it back and play it one more time for me, please? All the way back. Yeah. Now keep it rolling through, frame by frame. Yeah, it's a flat line as the ball passes the bat. I'm satisfied, no bat involved. You can go for the ball taking when ready, please. Waiting for the ball tracker, Tanvir. Here comes the ball tracker. Ball pitching in line, impact umpire's call, wickets umpire's call. I'm going back to Tanvir on field. Tanvir, you are going to stay with your out decision.